The final day of the Behdeinkhlam festival was filled with prayer and fanfare. The day started with the religious rites called Behdeinkhlam, which is performed in honor of Kawet, Katen and Kado, who were the ancestors of Kakur Sokpo and the first settlers to set foot in Jowai town. The most significant part of the morning festivities was Kachotandai, where household seeks blessings of Utreki Rot. The latter half of the day witnessed localities escorting their rot towards Adnar amidst scenes of jubilation. Finally, Kaknong Blai is brought to the middle of the pool, marking the end of the main festivities. This year, festivals witnessed by Union MOS for Culture Arjun Ram Meghwal, Meghalaya Cabinet Minister Kermen Shilai and Sanbor Shilai, and Chief Justice of Meghalaya Sanjeev Banerjee, Meghalaya Speaker Medba Lingdo, among other prominent guests.